Y'all know about some spaghetti carbonara. Hey man, I ain't from Italy, but today we finna go. I'ma drop in this bacon, man. We gonna get this thing seared up. I did my own rendition, man. I had to flip it, I had to freak it. So anyway, we cook out that oil and that bacon first, man. Then we had to boil these noodles, of course. See, what they normally do is they just leave it like that and they mix it and they mix it in. I gotta cook my eggs. So I'm gonna take my egg mixture and my Parmesan and we dropping it right back in there with that oil and that bacon to get some real flavor up in there, if you know what I'm saying. Then I'm gonna drop my lavender salt in there. We indigenous to the Northwest, so we mess with lavender salt. I'm gonna put some parsley in there with a little bit of garlic, Parmesan, and some heavy cream. I'm familiar with him. Then we drop in a little bit of them noodles with some of that bacon, and we get to moving. And the real star of the show was the Olive Garden cheese grater, and they give you some cheese, man. Look at that there, man. That's what I'm talking about. Check it. If you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, and tell me. I know about this Michelin starred spaghetti right here. It was so easy to do, man, and I had to do it anyway. We drop our olive oil in, drop that red pepper in, our grape tomatoes follow after. I get that a little seared up, start moving around a little bit, man. And strawberries, yes, strawberries, bro. It's some fancy stuff, but we made it happen. We chopped them strawberries in. I got them right there in that mix with a little bit of sugar, and boom, we start reducing it. I dropped the bell pepper in because I had to do my own thing. I had to make it my own. But anyway, I put it into the blender. Then I put a little bit of tomato paste in it. I have to add beef. I have to add meat. So I cut down my onion and got my beef in there. Did the garlic McCormick powder, put that in the inside, drop my sauce back in, Italian season, of course, reduce it, pop them noodles, and boom, look at that right there, bro. This was super quick. I was able to feed the whole fam. If you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me.
Something about your hands on my body feels better than any man I ever met.
This that meal you cook your good thing, you feel me? Check it out, man. The Bible says he who finds a wife finds a good thing. Even though we was players, I love my good thing. Anyway, put a little bit of olive oil down. Now we sizzling, we doing our thing. We don't like them bloody, but we like them done, you feel me? I put my rosemary in. And we're gonna let them things rest. I put that salt in there to cook them noodles faster. I put my garlic back in there with a little bit of butter. Now I drop my broccoli in. That garlic again, that Pinot Grigio. Of course, had to make that happen. I'm moving it around. There go the whipped cream. You feel me? Now we're moving it around. I'm definitely getting the texture I want. There we go. Pop the noodles back in. Yeah, now we're dropping the steak, a little bit of my Parmesan, some parsley, all that. Now go show your girl you him and like, comment, subscribe.